Welcome to AI Razment Labs, where innovation meets productivity. Boost your productivity with AI.
ChatGPT 5 has taken the world by storm. But here's the secret. The real power lies not just in the AI itself, but in how you talk to it. That's where prompt engineering comes in. In the next 6 minutes, you'll learn what prompt engineering is, why it matters, and exactly how you can master it to unlock ChatGPT 5's full potential. Section 1. What is prompt engineering? 0:30 to 1:30. Prompt engineering is simply the skill of giving clear, structured, and strategic instructions to ChatGPT so it produces the best possible output. Think of ChatGPT -5 as a powerful car. Prompt engineering is the steering wheel and GP. Without it, you'll still move, but not necessarily in the right direction. With it, you can drive straight to your destination faster and smarter. Section 2. Why it matters in ChatGPT 5, 132, 230. ChatGPT 5 is more advanced than previous versions. It understands longer context, multiple languages, and even subtle tones. But here's the catch. If your prompt is vague, the output can still be generic. With the right prompt, however, you can make ChatGPT 5 write a business plan, act like a coding mentor, or even roleplay as a historian. The better your prompt, the better your results. It's like upgrading from a blurry sketch to a 4000 HD picture. Section 3. Core techniques of prompt engineering 232-431. Role assignment. Instead of saying explain try. Act as a professor of computer science and explain AI to a beginner using simple examples. ChatGPT 5 instantly adapts to the role. 2. Context and constraints. Be specific. Instead of write about marketing, try. Write a 200-word LinkedIn post on digital marketing trends in 2025 with 3 bullet points. 3. Step-by-step instructions want a process. Say, explain how to build a website step-by-step, like a tutorial for a beginner. This triggers structured answers. 4. Iteration and refinement. Don't settle for the first draft. You can say, make it shorter, or add an example, and ChatGPT 5 fine-tunes instantly. Section 4. Real examples in action. 4:30 to 5:30. Let's test it quickly. Prompt 1. Write a story. You'll get a random story. Prompt 2. Write a suspense story set in New York, under 200 words, with a shocking twist ending. Now you get a gripping, tailored narrative. That's the difference! Prompt engineering makes it transforms average responses into gold. Closing? Call to action, 5:30 to 6 o'clock. So here's the takeaway. ChatGPT 5 is a game-changing tool, but prompt engineering is the key to unlocking its genius. Learn it, practice it, and you'll not only save time, you'll gain a superpower. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your best prompt in the comments. I might feature it in my next video.